Now I want to point out an interesting nuance.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
You see, this is my Facebook, and on the right side, you see this GoDaddy ad. You don't know this just by looking at it, and it's impossible to tell just by looking at it, but this is a retargeting ad. I'm not just seeing this because GoDaddy wants to target me. I'm seeing this because an hour or two ago, I was on GoDaddy.com looking at domain names for a client. If you're not familiar with GoDaddy, it's a big common site, for domain name registering and hosting and all that. And I was just looking up some domain names for a client, and so they're running ads to retarget me, right? To get me to bring back, because as far as they know, I might come back and buy the domain names. I might become a customer. So the nuance is that if you do influencer marketing and you promote in order to drive people to your site, you're going to be the one who has to pay for the retargeting ads. But if you are actually doing influencer marketing and driving people to Amazon or Udemy or GoDaddy, like in this case, or eBay or Etsy or any of these gigantic websites, you can be absolutely sure that they are going to be the ones paying for the retargeting ads. You're never going to know about this. You're never going to see it, but they are actually going to be paying to get that traffic back. They're going to, on their own, run ads, retargeting ads, to bring the traffic that your influencers brought who maybe didn't buy. So on your site, if you want to bring people to your site, you have to pay for it. But any of these other platforms, they pay for it. So if your product, if you're promoting a product on these platforms, sometimes just driving traffic to them, traffic that doesn't buy, can result in them paying for the ads, bringing those customers back, and having those sales eventually take place. You'll never know why. They don't tell you, but this is going to go on behind the scenes if you get your influencer to drive people to, instead of your site, some other big site where you do business.